Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It is a pleasure to have you here for today's in-depth tutorial where we will delve into the intricacies of how the print-on-demand industry functions. Over the course of the next few minutes, I will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of why print-on-demand has risen to prominence as one of the most favorable business models in the contemporary landscape. Well, we will explore the key factors that make print on demand a standout choice for entrepreneurs in today's dynamic market. So, without further delay, let us embark on this enlightening journey together to uncover the compelling reasons behind print on demand success and why it is considered a top-tier business option in the modern era. Ready to dive into the details? Let's get started. Print on demand is a remarkably simple yet game-changing concept. You begin by designing a product and featuring it in your online store. When a customer makes a purchase, a print-on-demand company steps in to print and ship the product directly to the customer's store. The beauty of this model is that you can leave the complexities of inventory management, shipping logistics, and production to the professionals, while you focus on creating and earning profits effortlessly. In essence, print on demand empowers entrepreneurs and creatives to turn their imaginative ideas into profitable ventures with minimal overhead and maximum convenience. It is a win-win situation that allows you to showcase your designs globally and watch your business flourish, all without the typical headaches associated with traditional production and sales processes. It truly is that easy and that brilliant. You might be wondering why print-on-demand is such an attractive option. Well, there are several compelling reasons. First and foremost, it allows you to get started with absolutely zero financial commitment. Unlike traditional businesses that require significant upfront investments in inventory and storage, print-on-demand lets you hit the ground running without these burdens. Furthermore, print-on-demand offers a less saturated market compared to dropshipping, providing you with a unique opportunity to unleash your creativity with endless design possibilities at your fingertips. You can truly stand out in the e-commerce landscape. And stay tuned because in the next videos, I will introduce you to a print-on-demand supplier renowned for its lightning-fast shipping, simplifying the product sourcing process and giving you a competitive edge. Throughout this series, we will delve into the fundamental aspects of print-on-demand. You will gain insights into the true nature of print-on-demand, discover the art of designing clothing, learn to craft a compelling brand logo, set up your own print-on-demand store at no cost, master the art of product marketing, and seamlessly handle order fulfillment. The best part? You won't need to invest in expensive platforms or advertising campaigns. This content is designed with beginners in mind. So make sure to subscribe to stay fully informed and updated on all the valuable insights to come. As we move forward, it is important to familiarize ourselves with the finer details of a packing slip. This document plays a crucial role in the customer experience. Notice how it originates from a discrete address, ensuring privacy and security in the delivery process. Moreover, your company's name and logo are prominently displayed on the label, imbuing it with a sense of professionalism and trustworthiness. This attention to detail not only reflects positively on your brand, but also reassures customers that their order is handled with care and precision. These are the basic t-shirts and hoodies available for sale on Printful that come without any pre-existing designs. Now, let us take a moment to see what they look like once they have undergone the printing process. As you can clearly see, the results are truly impressive. The final product not only looks fantastic, but also boasts a premium feel that is sure to please. We have just provided you with a brief but informative glimpse into the inner workings of print on demand, shedding light on its advantages and why it is a smart choice for many entrepreneurs. Now, as we move forward, I am excited to dive deeper into the practical aspects. In the next video, I will be your guide as we navigate the step-by-step process of how to get started with Printful. We will cover it all, ensuring you have the knowledge and tools to kickstart your print-on-demand journey successful. So make sure you stay tuned for these valuable insights as we embark on this educational journey together. Whether you are a newcomer or looking to refine your print on demand skills, there is something here for everyone, and I am here to help you every step of the way. I appreciate you being here with me today. If you have found this information useful, please take a moment to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned because we will be bringing you more valuable content in our upcoming videos. Until then, see you in our next video.